Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Chef Jeevan. I am the executive chef of Jahanama Palace, Bhopal. My hotel belongs to the royal family of Bhopal, and I got to know, and I am very happy to know that IMS Unison is starting the fresh batch of Bachelor of Hotel Management and Master of Hotel Management. All my good wishes with the institute and the students. I'm an ex-OCLD myself, and I have been to institutes like Symbiosis, Pune, OCLD and other IHM institute for the guest lecture. And believe you me, your institute is by far the best of its kind. Please keep maintaining that standard high always, and be safe, study hard. Thank you.
I am sending my very best wishes to the new batches of Bachelor of Hotel Management and Masters of Hotel Management program students at the School of Hospitality Management, IMS Unison University, India. I'm Dr. Suzanne Bagnera. Remember your 5 Ps. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Read those syllabi, come to class prepared, and engage in lifelong learning. The best way to reach me is through LinkedIn.
Namaskar, I'm Diwakar Balodi. My best wishes to the new batches of Bachelor and Master courses of Hotel Management. You people are entering the hotel and hospitality field at a time when many rules and standards are being rewritten, and those who will learn and relearn it right way will succeed. My best advice to all of you is to always remember the word PI. P stands for passion, I for integrity, and E for enthusiasm. These 3 key traits of a hotelier will take you a long way in your career. Once again, my best wishes. Thank you.
I'd like to send my best wishes to the new students of the Bachelor of Hotel Management and Masters of Hotel Management programs at the School of Hospitality Management, IMS Unison University in India. My name is Noel Scott, Professor Noel Scott from Australia, and I've had the opportunity to interact with your school, and I think that you should be proud to be attending and learning there. I give you my best wishes for your studies. My advice on performing well and developing a career in hospitality is that despite this current COVID situation, hospitality has a great future. And I also think that if you want to do well in it, cultivate a positive attitude and a willingness to go beyond what is asked of you, and to demonstrate that you're doing that with good humor. So congratulations and welcome.
Hello everyone, I am PK Sharma from Hotel Taj Rishikesh Resort and Spa. I convey my best wishes to the new batch of BHM and MHM students of School of Hospitality Management, IMS Unison University. I am having a very high opinion about Dr. Vinay Rana and his team, and I strongly hope that you will be able to enhance your knowledge and skills to successfully craft your career. This institute is the best learning platform for hospitality management students to make their careers. Have great times ahead, and wish you all the best.
Truly is all about new opportunities and the chances it has to offer. And I want to wish you all the best as you start your new journey as incoming bachelor and master degree students at the Hotel Management program at the School of Hospitality Management, IMS Unison University in India. Remember, if you have the willpower, the determination, and the courage, then no one can stop you from becoming the person you aspire to be.
Good morning, students. This is Dr. Sudhir Andrews. I'm a distinguished professor and a thought leader, as well as an author. You may read some of my books in your first year, and I hope you enjoy them. I welcome you to the hospitality industry, which is the most exciting industry, and there is a thrill a minute, and you should enjoy it fully. Fortunately, you have a very, very progressive principal, Mr. Vinay Rana, and his team who are very progressive and think ahead, and will take you to great heights. Okay, so welcome and all the best in your studies. Good luck.